still in school? Anyone still studying to become something?
I'm gonna be a politician and buy all you guys.
I just wanted to say, like, first day of summer, people, today! Woo! I want to also say,
I want a Twinkie!
I want to say, what's up to Bucko9? Thank you, Bucko9. We played like our 8th or 9th show ever with Bucko9 at the Nile Theater in Phoenix. I love those guys. I remember we were playing a show. With Bucko9 at the fucking Troubadour in LA. And I remember these people because we're playing like trying to be like fast. We're playing fast fucking punk rock, and I'm like, I'm just gonna start playing some ska music because I fucking at that show. The story's going nowhere, so we're gonna play some more fucking music. I take it all back. I'm gonna keep talking for another 10 minutes. Is that cool?
We're the circle jerks.
So everyone is done with school, correct? Done with school? Who's still in school? Fuck school. I mean, that's what I gotta say. As a father of 3 now, with my kid here with his headphones on, we're gonna play a song called Get Up, and I want to see you fuckers skate, because let's fucking do this.